Neidlinger and his classic 65 Mustang. This car is probably worth about $27 million on the open market. However, we'd like to tell you that Philip has been known to take advantage of people. Do not, by any means, pay $27 million for this car. However, we would recommend a little offer of $10,000. As you will notice, he is scanning the car now, taking the left and right rear wheels, which he has enjoyed the classic car parade. We thank you very much for joining. Philip said that he would take any offer over $21,000 for this car. We thank you. Philip Neidlinger and his car that he paid a shitload of money for. We hope that he is definitely ready to recuperate some of his funds. He'd like to point out to you the chrome rims, the special fender marking showing it is a 65 Mustang, and Philip said that this car today would probably retail for about $10,000 to $20,000. Philip is also a ham radio operator, even though he wears those faggot glasses. We think that Philip is probably one of a fine gentlemen. He's been around for a long time and definitely into the car business here as far as classic cars goes. We hope that you have enjoyed this little presentation of Philip and his automobile. Philip has been around for a few years, has a degree in electrical engineering, and incidentally, at one point in his life, turned down being a member of the CIA. He also had a chance to be a navigator in the Air Force, and we hope that Philip will enjoy his career in this business. Philip, by the way, is my nephew, a fine person, a gentleman, and we soon hope that he will join the shrine. We thank you.
This is a 64.5 white fastback with a red interior at the show. Now we're going to walk down the line and see what we got. This is red Rex Hills 70 convertible. It's springtime yellow. This is a 67 Nova. This is Lucy's car at the show. It's Jim Carroll's 66 GT Fastback, which is a truly outstanding automobile. Of course, Jim and Lucy's car are parked together. It's Alexander's 64.5 convertible. This is an original with the 260 V8 and generator, and Alex has just started the restoration, and this car next to us just for sale. This is John Waldauer's father's car, a Vet, and this is also a very excellent automobile. It's won many trophies in this area. You like the show so far, Pop?
Looking mighty fine. Enjoying it.
Yeah, you know, all the money for this is going to the Veterans Memorial.
Well, we probably need it.
Yep, they're a little bit short.
Yeah, I think about 20,000.
Yeah, of course, we're glad to see y'all out here today.
Glad to be here.
This is the RT Charger, I believe. First, this car has the truly awesome 426 Hemi engine. A Grocery Getter Coupe that's for sale. Probably about $3,000 for this car, not very much. Good basic Ford Iron Mustang. I believe this is Rudy's car from Dixieland Cruisers. Mark and Tanya Davis's 68 California Special, which they are in the process of doing a complete concourse restoration on. This is also a very rare car and be quite valuable one day. 1972 Mustang Mach 1, which is in absolute mint condition. This car was trailered in today, was not driven. Do a walkthrough here and see some of the cars. The sun's coming out a little bit. 1972 is an old car, lazy going. Another vet. This is Dale Hardy's. He's one of the members of the Georgia Old Car Club. This is another car from the Georgia Old Car Club. It's a good looking motor here. A lot of chrome in there, lazy. 1969 CAMARO. Since we are all Mustang enthusiasts and love Fords, we are not permitted to say the C word or CHEVY in the club. Tommy Brunson's car, the same Tommy Brunson of Brunson and Devitt. This is a 1966 convertible, and Tom is in the process of fixing it up. Nice little car. Of course, it's red. Of course, this yellow car next to Tommy's car is for sale. You got $11,000 you can spare? A couple of GTOs here. These are nice cars too. Now, if you notice, the front end of this car looks like a Batmobile. Dodge Dart Swinger with a Hurst V transmission in it. This car has a 340 size motor. This car will run, ladies and gentlemen. Another early Ford Mustang convertible. This is a 64.5 with the 260 V8, and of course it also has a generator in it as well instead of an alternator. This is another nice car that's in the process of being restored. 1927 Roadster, and this car is also for sale. Not a motor, I don't know what it is. This is an awesome engine. It's like about a 350 Chevy. This is the Vietnam Memorial Show. This is really what we're all here about. This is the Volkswagen with names of all the people who were killed in Savannah during the Vietnam War. All their names are written across the front of this vehicle. 1967 Camaro. A young gal named Jennifer drove it in, and this car has a 396 in it. This baby really drinks some gas when you're lighting up the rear wheels. Ernie's immaculate 68 coupe with a vinyl top. This is a beautiful car. For those of you who know Ernie, he is also some sort of This is a 1956 Chevy Nomad. You can see the people just flocking around the real pretty ivy green 66 convertible. Wonder who this belongs to. Jim Carroll of the Savannah Mustang Club. What are your thoughts concerning today's Vietnam Veterans Memorial Car Show?
Hey, I think it's a nice show. We got about 65 cars out here today from all of the different car clubs here in Savannah. And I think the Savannah Mustang Club is well represented here with some really nice cars. Standing here next to Rex Hill's car, which is one of the nicest ones in the club.
Yeah, I understand.
You all recognize Rex's car.
I also understand Rex's car is for sale today as well.
Well, anybody with $5,500 can walk away with it today. I think we'd have a better show, maybe only if the weather was a little bit better. But it's cool today, and it probably kept some people from coming down. But it's a nice showing, and it's a nice benefit, I think, for the Vietnam Veterans Memorial.
Hi, Philip.
Hey, Lucy. A few yards beyond the show area, you can see the new suspension bridge they're putting over the river. And below that is the cantilever steel bridge, which was recently struck by a ship again and is no longer being used. And this here, of course, course, is the Waving Girl, Deathwood River Street.
All right, you still have about 5 more minutes on the raffle ticket. $1 worth of raffle ticket right here. Under the speaker. Start the raffle. The first couple days, first thing we're going to auction off.
This is very similar to a bridge down in Jacksonville. I believe this would be the second bridge if it's type a double suspension bridge like this. And it should be open in the spring of next year. The
Great classic Coast t-shirts. We have some of those in the raffle. And all kinds of great stuff. All right, so come on up.
Kids, this is a V12 Jaguar engine in a Corvette Stingray. How about that?
Was donated, of course, by Payless and Dollar Soup brand.
And here's a view from the top of Factor's Walk.
Pumpkin pies and all kinds of good homemade desserts over there for you that are low in calories.
It's a view. I see my car down there.